In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a vanilla Visa gift card on eBay using the best possible method. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure a smooth transaction. First, you'll want to go to balance.vanillagif.com. This is where you can check your card's balance to make sure you have enough funds for your intended purchase. It's crucial to know this information before you proceed. Once you're on the website, you'll need to type in your card number, expiration date, and the CVV. The CVV is the 3-digit number located on the back of your card. Inputting these details correctly is important for verifying your card. After you enter the required information, click on Continue. This action confirms your card details and will show you the available balance on your card, which is essential for a hassle-free shopping experience on eBay. Next up, navigate to PayPal.com, where you will link your vanilla Visa gift card to your PayPal account. At the top menu, you'll see the Wallet section. Go ahead and click on it. The Wallet section is your all-in-one hub for managing cards and bank accounts associated with your PayPal account. Look for the option to link a card and click on it. This is where you'll connect your vanilla Visa gift card to PayPal. Now you'll be prompted to enter your vanilla Visa gift card details just like before, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you've double-checked the information for accuracy, click on Link Card. Congratulations! Your gift card is now linked to your PayPal account. This setup allows you to make purchases using your gift card balance through PayPal, offering a seamless eBay shopping experience. Head over to eBay and log into your account. Browse for the item you're interested in and click on Buy It Now to initiate the purchase. When prompted for payment options, select Pay with PayPal. This method ensures you're using the balance from your linked vanilla Visa gift card. During checkout, you'll see an order summary. Check once more that all details are correct, then proceed to click on Pay with PayPal again. You might need to confirm your identity for security purposes, such as receiving a text and entering a code. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully by clicking Get a Text and Next. When you receive the code, type it in and click on Submit. Finally, make sure that your vanilla Visa gift card is selected as the payment method within PayPal and click on Complete Purchase. Voila! You've successfully used your vanilla Visa gift card to buy something on eBay using PayPal. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.